Hey friends, welcome to FX Yogi. In today's video, let's learn about the three other types of pivot points. Part A. Woody pivot point. R2 equals PP plus high minus low. R1 equals 2 into PP minus low. PP equals H plus L plus 2C divided by 4. S1 equals 2 into PP minus high. S2 equals PP minus high plus low. In this, C is closing price, H is high, and L is low. In the formulas above, you will notice that the pivot point calculation is very different from the standard method. Also, in order to calculate for the corresponding support and resistance level, you would use the difference between the previous day's high and low, otherwise known as the range. Here's a chart example of the Woody pivot point calculation applied on Euro USD pair. The Woody pivot point supports level and resistance level or the solid lines, while the dotted lines represent the levels calculated through the standard method. Because they have different formulas, levels obtained through the Woody calculations are very different from those gotten through the standard method. Some traders prefer to use the Woody formulas because they give more weight to the closing price of the previous period. Others prefer the standard formulas because many traders make use of those which could make them self-fulfilling. In any case, since resistance turns into support and vice versa, if you choose to use the Woody formulas, you should keep an eye on these levels as they could become areas of interest. Camarilla pivot point. R4 equals C plus H minus L into 1.5000. R3 equals C plus H minus L into 1.2500. R2 equals C plus H minus L into 1.1666. R1 equals C plus H minus L into 1.0833. PP equals H plus L plus C divided by 3. S1 equals C minus H minus L into 1.0833. S2 equals C minus H minus L into 1.1666. S3 equals C minus H minus L into 1.2500. S4 equals C minus H minus L into 1.5000. Here, C is closing price, H is the high, and L is the low. The Camarilla formulas are similar to the Woody formula. They also use the previous day's close and range to calculate the support and resistance levels. The only difference is that you should calculate for a major 8 levels, that is 4 resistance and 4 support levels. And each of these levels should be multiplied by a multiplier. The main concept of Camarilla pivot points is that it is based on the idea that price has a natural tendency to revert back. The idea is that you should buy or sell when the price reaches either the third support or resistance level. However, if the price were to bust through S4 or R4, it would mean that the intraday trend is strong. Check out how the Camarilla calculation gives different levels of solid lines compared to the standard method's levels of dotted lines. As you can see from the chart above, more emphasis is given to the closing price as opposed to the pivot point. Because of this, it's possible that resistance level could be below the pivot point or support levels could be above it. That's all for today. Let's catch up in the next video with more interesting content. Until then, take care. Bye bye.